this is a straightforward process. You always start with your given information. So start with the given info. So we're given segment AB is congruent to segment BC. And we're given that segment AD is congruent to segment CD. And the reason why, because we've always put the reason why underneath it, the reason why is it's given. Or you can put given information. That's the first thing that we have to do. Now we go back into the picture and label the picture. This is why it's absolutely important. Those two are congruent to each other. Those two are congruent to each other. You have to draw the diagrams. Alright, now, to prove these triangles are congruent, we have two tests. We have side, side, side. We have side, angle, side right now. Or you can prove that all three sides are congruent to all three sides on the other side, and then all three angles are congruent to all three angles on the other side. So, my question to you is, which test do you think we're going to be working at here? Why side, side, side? There's a shared side. Alright, so, next up, I'm going to say, you could say that BD is a shared side. Definition of shared side. Now what's next? What do we know about shared sides? It's congruent to itself. So BD, segment BD is congruent to segment BD. Now, if something is congruent to itself, what did we say is the reason why? If something is congruent to itself, why did we say the reason is? Anybody yet? It has nothing to do with angles, so we're not dealing with angles. The reflexive property of congruency. Something is congruent to itself, then we have that situation. And then we could put 3 marks right there. Now, are these triangles congruent to each other now? Did we just prove it? Alright, awesome. We just proved it. So triangle ABD is congruent to, and I'm running out of space, so we'll write it like this, CBD. What's the reason why? We have 2 tests right now. We have side, 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 and side, angle, side. So which one of them is going to work in this case? Side, side, side. So we get side, side, side. This is a flow chart. This is a flow proof. And basically it's going to take pieces of the given information and go from there. Since there was only one thing that we needed to really do from this, we could just go from here. But what we can do sometimes is actually take the given information and kind of break it up a little bit. And because of one piece of given information is going to give us something different, another piece is going to give us something different, we could go from there. But this is basically what's happening. So this is what a flow proof is going to look like.